Subtitle story Knowledge is Valuable Treasure Part 2. Once upon a time in a small town nestled between rolling hills and sparkling streams, there lived a curious child named Lily. Lily was bright-eyed and full of wonder, but when it came to studying and learning, she often preferred to spend her days exploring the outdoors rather than burying herself in books. In the same town, there were other children like Mark, Emily, and Alex who diligently studied day and night. They eagerly absorbed knowledge like thirsty sponges, aiming to excel in their studies to make their parents proud. Lily's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Green, were hard-working individuals who believed that success in life was directly linked to the amount of knowledge one possessed. They praised children like Mark, Emily, and Alex for their dedication to their studies, admiring their commitment to learning. "Look at Mark," Mr. Green would say. "He's always buried in his books, striving to be the best he can be. That's what will make him successful in the future." And Emily, Mrs. Green added, "She's always asking questions and seeking knowledge. It's no wonder her parents are so proud of her." Lily heard these conversations and couldn't help but feel a pang of disappointment. She loved to explore and discover new things, but her parents seemed to value hard work and academic achievements more than her adventurous spirit. One day, as Lily wandered through the forest near her home, she stumbled upon a peculiar old tree. Its branches stretched far and wide, and at the base of the tree, there was an ancient-looking book with golden edges and a shimmering cover. Curiosity piqued, Lily opened the book and discovered that it held the wisdom of ages. It spoke of knowledge as a vast garden where every piece of information was a beautiful flower. The book explained that while studying and working hard were indeed important, true knowledge was not merely a possession to be hoarded but a garden to be explored and shared. Excitedly, Lily devoured the pages, learning about different cultures, scientific wonders, and the joy of discovery. She realized that knowledge was not just found in textbooks, but also in the world around her, in the rustle of leaves, the babbling brooks, and the stars that adorned the night sky. Armed with newfound understanding, Lily returned home, eager to share her discoveries with her parents. She explained how the world itself was a vast treasure trove of knowledge waiting to be explored and appreciated. To her surprise, her parents listened intently, their eyes gleaming with curiosity. They had been so focused on academic success that they had forgotten the joy of discovery and the beauty of learning beyond textbooks. From that day on, Lily's parents encouraged her to follow her inquisitive nature. They joined her in exploring the world around them, discovering that knowledge wasn't merely found in books, but also in the everyday experiences that enriched their lives. As time passed, Lily continued to explore and learn, blending her adventurous spirit with the lessons she gleaned from books and the world. She realized that knowledge was indeed a valuable property, but its true worth lay in the way it was shared, experienced, and cherished. And so, in that small town, the notion of knowledge transformed from being a possession to a shared adventure, where studying and exploration danced hand in hand, and the love for learning blossomed in the hearts of all who dared to seek its wonders. The story had continuous. Please help subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my video. See you soon. I wish you good luck.